What if I told you the 2025 Mustang is keeping its roar, but packing even more punch? This might just be the most thrilling Mustang yet. The Mustang's legacy as an American muscle car legend is getting an upgrade for 2025. Ford's bringing bolder designs, smarter tech, and more power-packed options to keep that Mustang spirit alive. But is it enough to keep up with the times? Let's dive into the latest on this iconic machine. With so many car companies shifting to electric, a lot of fans are asking if muscle cars like the Mustang can hold on to their roots. Will the Mustang of tomorrow still give us the classic feel we crave, or are we looking at something completely different? The new 2025 Mustang is all about modern meets muscle. Ford's updated the look with a sharper front end, redesigned hood, and a tougher rear diffuser. For power, it keeps the familiar options, a 2.3-liter EcoBoost with around 310 horsepower, or the classic 5.0-liter V8 GT with about 450 horsepower. For thrill seekers, the Shelby GT500 might even make a return with over 700 horsepower. Inside, the Mustang's going high-tech. Expect a bigger digital dashboard, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates. And Ford's bringing in high-quality finishes for a slicker, more driver-focused experience. It's like they took everything we love and cranked it up. But here's the real kicker. This could be one of the last Mustangs to keep a combustion engine as Ford gears up for electrification. For those who want that pure Mustang growl, this might be the last chance to grab it. The 2025 Mustang balances old-school muscle with modern perks and could be the last of its kind as Ford heads toward an electric future. It's keeping the heart of a Mustang while giving us something new and exciting to get behind. Want more updates on Mustang's future? Hit subscribe so you don't miss out.